Introduction to NER. Hi everyone. Today, we're talking about named entity recognition, or NER. It's a technique that helps computers identify important information in text. For example, NER can recognize names, like a Barack Obama. It can pick out places, like a New York City. And it can identify dates, like December 7th, 2024. Why is this helpful? NER automates the process of finding key details, saving you time and effort, especially when working with large amounts of text. Applications of NER. Let's look at how NER is used in the real world. In legal work, it can pull out company names like Microsoft from contracts. This speeds up reviews and makes sure nothing important is missed. In healthcare, NER can find drug names and dosages, like ibuprofen, 200 mg twice daily. This helps doctors and policymakers organize critical information. In business, it can highlight product names, like MyPhone 15, from customer reviews. This helps companies understand what customers want and improve their products. Types of named entities. NER organizes information into different groups. Standard entities include common categories, like organizations in Microsoft, places Tokyo, and dates July 4, 1776. Domain-specific entities focus on specific fields. For example, ibuprofen in healthcare, H2SO4 in chemistry, or S&P 500 in finance. Emerging entities are newer categories, like hashtags #AI, website links, or cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Methods for NER, rule-based approaches. One way to use NER is with rule-based methods. These are simple instructions or patterns the system follows. Examples include finding dates with patterns like DDMMYYYY, looking up country names like eCanada using a list, detecting email addresses, such as a user at example.com. These methods are easy to set up and work well for predictable tasks, but they struggle with messy or unstructured text. Statistical and machine learning approaches. More advanced NER methods use machine learning, which helps systems handle more complex text. Examples. Hidden Markov models can figure out patterns in text, like Bajon works at Google. Conditional random fields are useful for recognizing names in multilingual documents. Maximum entropy models can identify product names like Samsung Galaxy in online reviews. These techniques are better than rule-based methods for unstructured or messy data. Applying NER to your tasks. Now, think about how you could use NER in your work. Do you deal with documents like policy briefs or reports? Are they repetitive tasks, like finding names or dates? Can you think of a situation where NER could have saved you time? NER makes these tasks quicker and easier, so you can focus on bigger decisions. Evolution of NER techniques. NER has come a long way. In the past, rule-based methods were common because they were simple and worked well for predictable data. Now, we have AI models like BERT, which are smarter and can understand complex language, making them better for tricky tasks. Customizing rule-based NER. Even with AI, rule-based methods are still useful when tailored to specific needs. You can create custom lists to look for specific terms, like country names or industry keywords. You can use patterns to extract specific details, like city names or dates. Customizing rule-based methods is great for repetitive tasks. Methods for NER, tools and accessibility. Good news, NER is easy to use with tools that don't require coding. SpaCy is a tool that has pre-trained models ready to go for common tasks. Regex testers let you create and test patterns for specific data quickly. These tools make NER simple and accessible for everyone. Challenges of rule-based NER. Finally, let's talk about the challenges of rule-based NER. Scalability. Updating rules as data changes can be time-consuming. Messy text. It struggles with typos, slang, or informal text like social media posts. Hybrid approaches. Combining rule-based methods with AI models can handle both predictable and complex tasks. Closing and call to action. Today, we learned what NER is and how it works, how it's used in legal, healthcare, and business settings, the difference between rule-based and AI-driven approaches. Think about where NER could make your work easier. In our next session, we'll look at practical tools and how you can start using NER in your own tasks.